I'm 26 with multiple six figures invested. Here are 10 money tips I wish I knew at 20. Open a Roth IRA and max it out every year. Instead of investing in stocks, invest in S&P ETFs and index funds. Transfer any short-term savings you have to a high-yield savings account. Earn as much money as possible at a young age without throwing away your youth. Learn the power of compound interest. Seriously, this one can change your life. Mess around with a compound interest calculator and you will be surprised. Always take your company's retirement match. This is virtually free money. If and only if you're responsible with your spending, buy a credit card and put your everyday expenses on these credit cards and pay them off in full at the end of every month. Learn and practice the ability to delay gratification. Don't care what other people think of you. And finally, understand the difference between needs and wants. Hope this helped. Thanks for watching. See you next time.